Hello, my name is Chad Smith, Principal Solutions Architect for IQGeo. In this short video, I'll review how fault tasking and correction can be performed using Network Manager Telecom and Workflow Manager Ticketing. Using Network Manager Telecom and Workflow Manager Ticketing, operations and maintenance teams can be assigned fault location tickets with details about the specific issue, document corrective actions with ticket forms, redline markup tools, or through database edits. This capability is available online or offline on any mobile device and can be integrated with an organization's existing ticketing solutions. To begin this demonstration, we'll start on the desktop by using the one-box search to navigate to the affected area where our fault has been identified. Using the IQGeo Workflow Manager Ticketing application, we'll next create a project for our simulated network fault and create a new break-fix ticket for assigning to a maintenance technician, who will then visit this location in the field. Project types, statuses, file upload links, and estimated completion date and times are all examples of configurable properties users can choose to add to their project and ticket forms through configuration. After our new break-fix project is created, we then navigate to the Ticket Manager interface to create our individual tickets for this activity before assigning them to field maintenance technicians for work in the field. When creating new tickets against the project, dispatchers can create ticket locations with either point, linear, or polygon geometries based on the nature of the task and the areas affected. Dispatchers will then fill in any pertinent information related to this fault for consumption by the field technician tasked with correcting this issue in the field before placing the ticket location geometry on the map. This new break-fix ticket can now be seen on the map with a red color-coded point indicating ticket severity level. We can then review all the property details for this ticket in the Ticket Manager list view. For the second part of this fault management simulation, I will present ticket management as a user in the field equipped with an iPad. As a field user working assigned tickets, I can filter my assigned ticket list and see the status of each ticket I am tasked with. There are default ticket properties used by the application, but each ticket type can be defined in its own unique property models that are created in the IQGeo configuration UI. Once field users select the ticket they plan to start working, the ticket has tools for navigating to the physical location for the field and can also be used for turn-by-turn directions to the ticket location. Once taking up a ticket, users will update their actions, starting with letting the dispatchers see when the tech was en route to the fault location. Once on site, the user will update their ticket status and begin documenting corrective actions they engage in. Depending on the configuration and user privileges defined by an organization, field technicians may have the ability to create new design jobs for making edits to the database and documenting redline markups, or may only be relegated to having read-only view of Network Manager Telecom data, with the ticket form being the only location to document their corrective actions. In this simulation, I'll be creating a new design job to contain markup notes related to the corrective actions performed, as well as documenting these corrective actions on the associated break-fix ticket form. While working on assigned tasks in the field as a ticket assignee, I can view all of the Network Manager property information related to my fault task, run reports, and even perform fiber tracing and OTDR occurrence impact analysis if needed. In this scenario, I'll simply add red line notes on the map and update ticket form details to document my corrective actions while making no changes to the data model. Once our fault correction actions are completed, I will then change the design project status to fault correction complete before filling out the ticket form and taking the ticket to a field complete status. Again, in this simulation, I am showing two different ways a user can be empowered to work a fault ticket in a single session. But the end-user organizations ultimately decide which tools a user will have available to them while in the field. In summary, IQGeo's Network Manager Telecom and Workflow Manager ticketing solutions allow field operations and maintenance teams to capture all fault correction activities while online or offline in the field on any mobile device. This capability helps organizations document important corrective action details from the field and report historically on corrective actions taken by specific field technicians on specific assets and locations throughout the network.